Hello, welcome back to my channel Shine with Shwaggy. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, for today's video, we're gonna be doing this makeup look, and I am completely in love with this makeup look. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let me clip my hair first, but before starting with the makeup, वीडियो को like और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना. So I'm going to start with this moisturizer, which is by Pond's. It is a super light gel. Next, I'm going to apply a lip balm. Lip balm is really essential. Next, a primer, and this primer is by Nykaa. It is a silicone based primer, so yeah, it is good for oily skin. And I'm gonna apply on my T-zone first, और जो बाकी बचेगा मैं उसको ऐसे आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन में अपने फेस पे डैप कर लूँगी, थोड़ा अपनी आईज पे लगा लूँगी, एंड या it's done. Next, a concealer. I'm just going to apply a concealer and nothing else, which means I'm not going to use any foundation since this video is for beginners, so we are going to keep it really light, chill and easy to do. So you have to apply the concealer अपने dark spots पे or on the areas where you want to highlight. फिर हम कंसीलर को अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर लेंगे, एंड देन आई एम गोना टेक अ फ्लफी ब्रश एंड आई एम गोना सेट एवरीथिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस फ्लफी ब्रश एंड अ कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर. Next, directly jumping into the eye makeup, I have taken this light brown shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. This will act as a base. Next, I am taking a peaches shade from the same palette, and I will apply it on the outer V area, and then I will just blend it all over my lid, doing the same on the other eye as well. Next, I'm gonna apply mascara. This one is my personal favorite. You can see the difference. It really changes the whole look. I'm going to put the link of all the products in the description box, so description box ज़रूर check कर लेना. Next, I have taken a brown shade, and with the help of this brush I'm going to contour, and yeah, and just make sure to take it to your hairline as well so that it looks natural. Do a bit on your nose, and then I'm just gonna blend it with a fluffy brush so that कोई harsh line ना दिखे. And the next step is my favorite. It's a glitter by Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna apply it with the help of a brush, and you have to apply it on the inner half side of your eyes. And now blush time. I am going to use this lip color as my blush. Just apply a few dots and then blend it really well with the help of a sponge or a brush, जैसे भी आपको ठीक लगे. You can even use your fingers if you are okay with that. मैंने थोड़ा सा ब्लश अपने नोज़ पे भी लगाया है, एंड इट लुक्स क्यूट. नेक्स्ट, लिप, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ अ लिप लाइनर फर्स्ट. मैं अपने आउटलाइन करूँगी लिप्स पे, एंड मैं उसको फिल इन भी कर लूँगी. देन आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस अगेन माई फेवरेट लिप कलर, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो बाय नायका. And next I am going to apply a highlighter. You apply highlighter on the higher points of your face, जैसे कि ऐसे I am doing on my cheekbones, and on the other areas as well, जैसे कि थोड़ा अपने forehead पे, nose पे, lips के ऊपर, and थोड़ा सा brows के नीचे to give that shine. And at last I'm just going to set my face with this makeup setting spray. I'm going to link it also in the description box, so description box ज़रूर check कर लेना, and it's done. And guys, this is how my makeup is looking. It's really subtle, and the pinkiness on my face, I'm just loving it. So तुम लोग भी मेरे को बताना कि तुमको ये मेकअप लुक कैसा लगा. Till then, bye.